Good morning, YouTube. Actually, it's 12:07 in the afternoon, but I woke up an hour ago, so yeah. Okay, so here's another random video by me, Alyssa. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I know I'm just boring like that. I'm trying to make all these videos to get famous, and so I'm gonna get famous for the worst videos in the world. Yes. Oh yeah, and for ideas, thank you, Noah, for absolutely not helping me with them. Told you I would mention you in the video. Okay, well, here's a dog bowl full of water. Now all the water's gone. Okay, so these videos are boring. So I'm gonna make my phone thing fly. Okay. It's wet outside. Ew. That's what she said. Anyways, so there goes another random video. It'll be funner some other day. Hey, that bird is stuck. It's good there. Yeah, okay.